the other innovation that OpenxAI has done is basically built an open source cloud stack. So instead of like going to AWS and selecting a database and maybe it has a fancy name, you can just use an open source database like Postgres. Has anyone heard of Postgres? Yeah, so it's like an open source database. You just install it on your, empty, decentralized bare metal machine, and then you install Postgres on top of an operating system. So the other innovation is there's a fork of NixOS, which is a Linux distro, and it's called Xnode OS for OpenxAI. And you run that on the bare metal machine, which is, again, it's a fork of Linux called NixOS. You install the package, which might be Python or Next.js. You can install Postgres, which is just another application package. And there you go. You've got a super cheap database running on a bare metal cloud server. You're not spending huge amounts of money. You're not spending $2,000, which I've paid for an Australian client previously. They might spend $2,000. They have barely any users, like 100 people might be using this website app. They're spending $2,000 per month on a database, which is literally just open source. So you can install that on this machine. The other innovation, and basically there's hundreds of thousands of application packages on Linux, on NixOS, that you can just use as Lego blocks, build your app, and do it really affordably, is Alama. So has anyone heard of Alama? No one? No one. Okay. So Alama is it's an open source, downloadable AI model manager. It runs on your own local computer. I've got it running on this computer. Basically, I can just quickly show you. So let me just share. So give me a second. I'll just share screen. Okay, so hopefully, if I click this, no. Okay. Let's try again. I'll just share the Alama window. There we go. Okay, so this is a very, very simple chatbot interface. It's just an application running on my own local computer, my laptop. And basically, I'll just pick a small model. Let's see if I can select it. Whoop, hang on. Okay. So I just select the open source models. So there's plenty of open source models available. I'll just pick one that's I've got installed, and I just say hello there. So this is like ChatGPT, but it's running on my own computer. The beauty of this, instead of paying ChatGPT or logging into ChatGPT, I can install an AI model on my own computer, and I don't need the internet, and I don't have to pay anyone. So there's 2.2 million different models, and I can so Alama hosts about 259 of them. You can run on your own laptop. And basically, the one I'm running now is DeepSeek. So has anyone heard of DeepSeek? Yeah. So does anyone pay DeepSeek subscription? Okay. Yeah, so you can run this locally for free on your own laptop. You just go to alama.com, download Alama, and then you can run an AI model called DeepSeek on your own laptop.